Happy birthday, Beth. Ingat palagi sa work. Love you. Hi, Kat. Happy birthday.
It's your big day.
See you soon. Yes, magkakape tayo ulit. Hindi pala magkakape. Mag-iinuman tayo ulit. Happy birthday. See you.
Oy, birthday mo pala. Happy birthday! So, wish ko sa'yo sa birthday mo na to. Sana maging masaya ka, maging masaya kayo sa landas na tinatahak niyo ni Claude. At sana ito na yung forever mo. Diba? Nakakapagod. Tama na. Diba? So, happy birthday again. Stay pretty as you are always, not only outside but inside. So nakita ko naman yun. Thank you. At isa ka sa parte ng buhay ko or journey ko sa kay VXI. Nakasama kita. Thank you sa companion. Maraming salamat doon. Happy foods. Food is life for us. So, you're celebrating your birthday. Wala lang ako masabing marami. Basta happy birthday. More candles to blow. At sana mabusog mo kami sa happy birthday again, Miss Curtis. Happy birthday, Kat! Love you!
Ay, ano ba to? Papunta ng langit. Hello! Happy birthday, Kathleen. Thank you so much kasi you're always there para, paligayahin kami. Thank you sa friendship and everything. And of course, sa masasarap na ulam as always. So please continue to bring. Okay, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, Day. Happy birthday, Kathleen Bernardo. Love you!
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. And sana ngayong birthday mo ay maging masaya ka. And bigyan ka sana ng Lord ng good health. Ayan, i-guide ka sana niya all throughout this year, sa sunod na taon, hanggang sa Chels. Ayun. Salamat sa buhay mo. Kasi meron akong ikaw na mami ko na nakikinig, nag-guide sa akin, and especially meron akong friend na pwedeng lapitan kung kailangan ko ng advice and such. So, salamat sa lahat, and sana magkita na tayo at makapagkape kasi miss ko na kayo. Nakita, gusto ko na catch up naman. Ayun, happy birthday. Always remember na mahal na mahal kita. I love you, Mommy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kat. Thank you for being a good friend. Stay pretty, stay humble, stay kind, and stay maldita. See you soon. Inom tayo. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hey Kathleen, happy birthday! More blessings to come. Enjoy your day.
Bye.
Hi, Amy. Happy birthday. I know may idea ka na about it, but what you saw is not everything. There's a lot more people that loves you and totally appreciate you. So these are the people that have gathered, wanted to celebrate your birthday as well with you. So, I'm just praying and wishing for the best. You deserve all the best that the world could offer. So, more strength and energy to overcome what you're going through, what we're going through. and whatever will happen in the future. So, yun lang. I love you so much and always be safe. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat! From both of us, we wish you endless joy, love, and blessings. Enjoy your special day. You deserve it, and we love you.
Hello, Nak. Happy birthday. I pray that God will always guide you and lead you in the right path, and may your life be rooted and grounded in His Word. I love you.